see there.
Don't
Let me
touch
show.
people.
No.
Don't touch
No, this is where her asshole is.
Do not touch her.
Look at her. Shut the fuck up. Don't fucking touch me.
Step back.
No, let go.
Let go. Não encosta nela. Tira a mão. Let go of her hair.
You can't do that.
Let go. Let go of her hair. Tira a mão dela. Tira a mão dela.
I'm not. I'm not even touching your hair, bitch.
You need to let go
You
right
need
now.
those 911.
You need to let go.
911.
You need to let go right now.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't want to send that to a fucking foul lady.
Let go of
You
her
need to let go
hair.
right now. Right
Let
now.
go of her hair.
You guys are already past that point and you're already right. We're already past it. Let go of her hair. Let go of her hair, man. Y'all see me.
Let
You
go.
know it. We're just retarded. Yeah, put me on the ground. Put me on the ground. Look at this fat lady. Look at this fat ass bitch. She can't even look. You can't even see her stomach. That's horrible. Look at her outfit. Look at this fat ass bitch. Hilarious. You can't even show your mouth because you're embarrassed. You can't even see it because you're embarrassed. Shut the fuck up. Sorry, I can't hear you. I can't hear you, ugly ass fucking dude. Who's never gonna lay it again. Okay, I'm sorry, black guy. My boyfriend's black, so shut the fuck up. My boyfriend's fucking a black guy. My boyfriend's a black. My boyfriend's black. My boyfriend's a fucking black guy. You're joking. Shut the fuck up. 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 Yeah, full of shit,